Hello friends, today I have come to you again with a new video. A good router on a low budget. In this video, I will show you how to configure Mi4RCM router. This router is very easy to configure. Stay with us until the end of the video and please don't skip the video. So let's start without further ado. Enjoy the video. First plug in your router power cable. Then plug in your internet cable in WAN or internet port. Now take a short cable which found your router box. Now put the one end of the short cable in router's LAN port and the other to your PC or laptop. Who don't have a laptop or PC, don't worry, you can complete by using your smartphone. But for this you need to connect your router Wi-Fi to your phone first and follow the rest steps shown here. First open any web browser on your device and type miwifi.com in the address bar, then hit on enter. For your convenience, I will give this link in my description box. You can collect it from there. Now here we will select our country region and you will use it as per your choice. I am using United Kingdom. Now here you can see user agreement option is blank. We will select it. Now we click on try it now. Now here type the username and password that your ISP company gave you. I am using my. Now click on next. Now here you can see the Wi-Fi setting in front of us. We will type our Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. You will type your choice. You can use it as you like. Now click on next. So friends, we have complete our setup. Now you have learned how to set up Mi4RCM router. Now here you can see we have internet access. Now I will show you by browsing AFP. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Stay tuned by subscribing to get more videos like this. Thank you.